The number of new products and associated projects that Talion have spun up over the past 18 months is insane. So our heritage is very much corporate from BAE Systems, but we're as agile as a startup now. So we're able to utilize all the cool features within the SOAR platform, like Siemplify, especially the integrations and the playbooks, to really go to town on new service offerings. My name is Chris Sedgwick. I'm Director of Security Operations at Talion. Talion, we're a full service MSSP. We offer standard MDR services, and we have done ever since inception under BAE Systems Applied Intelligence, but now we also offer more hybrid SOC solutions. We were running a SIEM platform with no SOAR on top, and we were experiencing things like high volume of alerting and everything that comes with that, fatigue, burnout, high turnover of analysts. But also we were running a distributed SIEM infrastructure where we'd have different clients on different SIEM platforms. And so we'd have analysts triaging out of different SIEM platforms. Breadth of knowledge was non-existent. If that person had to triage out of another SIEM platform and they didn't know the client as well, it was a big task. The high volume of alerts that we had quickly became a game of how quickly we can get the stack down. I think we worked out the maths on this, and we were looking at an average available time that an analyst had to deal with an alert of 10 seconds. I kind of kick myself every time I use the phrase, but a single pane of glass was what we were ideally looking for, rather than having analysts triaging out of 5, I think it was, different SIEM platforms at the same time, concurrently. We were looking for a reduced caseload somehow. We were looking at extra capabilities, things like remediation, automation, playbooks, even things like enrichment. It is possible within SIEM platforms, but it's not pretty. The icing on the cake was really extra features, extra tools to play with, because our guys, if they get given a new tool, they will go to town on it. For example, if we spot malware on one of our clients and the person on the client end responsible is out doing their shopping and they pick up an email, they're able to literally click on a button and it will remotely send an instruction back to the Siemplify playbook to connect to the EDR platform to either kill a process or to isolate a host. Puts the power back in the hands of our clients, but they're able to respond so much faster as well. They're not tied to a laptop or to a desk. They're able to respond to stuff on the fly. The move of customers to take more and more security things in-house, like control of their own SIEM platform, is a possibility with a SOAR platform, and with the collaboration feature that exists within Siemplify. The feature that Siemplify has of being able to collaborate between those two teams and to both be able to see the same thing on the same dashboard and the same screen is great.